I work at Neways as a repair analyst. My job is about handling customer returns, analyzing issues, repairing and upgrading hardware. This means I write analyst reports, but I also assemble and disassemble components. Because Neways makes many complex products, every return is different. Each day brings new troubleshooting challenges. That's what keeps the work exciting. No 2 days are the same. I've been passionate about electronics since I was a kid. I would even take old computers apart even if I didn't fully understand it. You could say I've turned my hobby into a profession. I joined Neways in 2016, but my connection to Neways goes back further. I actually did an internship in 2014. At Neways you truly have opportunities to grow. I started in production and worked my way up to the repair department. I'm constantly developing my skills, and if I ever want to take a different role at Neways, that's entirely possible. At Neways we make the technology of tomorrow. My work here feels important.